chance. You can't just go around complaining all the time. It's not fair.
You're making jokes.
Dad, really, no.
No, Dan, listen, you're making jokes with your friends. I'm not English.
One joke. It was one joke, that's
English is
all.
not enough to understand it. You understand? And I feel lonely there with all your friends. I didn't get it, anything.
I'm trying to do the very best.
Dan,
But
shut up, please.
But what? I've got to shut up. Who's been talking for the past 12 hours non-stop, eh? Blah, 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 blah. Jesus. Some people go home with a tribute. You go home with me. Everything's fine. Sex, talk, life, everything until you want to get closer, get better. Do you know what the fuck you want? You just push me. Why can't you take it for what it is?
What?
Us!
And what is it?
What it is, no more, no less.
What is that?
God, don't give me this. Don't give me that look, Missy.
Yeah, you don't wanna what?
I don't mind physical violence, I can't stand emotional violence. Deborah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just want everything to work out.
I know.
I want us to get married.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Then I'm pregnant. You're gonna have a child.
What? I don't know. It's not possible.
We're gonna get married, we're gonna have a child. Everything I want.
Everything you want?
Yeah, and
What do you mean? What do you mean everything you want?
You will have a child. You're gonna have a child, Dan.
No, we're not having a child. What is this? This is like some big thing. What is this? Your little joke about what I was saying in the dinner party. What are you talking about?
I'm not joking, Dan. I love you. Dan! Dan! Don't give me your back! What's going on?
Why are you shouting now? Why are you shouting?
I thought you were happy.
Happy. I've just offered you my fucking heart. I've just my whole life. I've just offered you everything, and you tell me that I'm fucking sterile! How can you do this to me? What are you talking about? What have you done? What have you done? What do you mean you're pregnant?
It was just one time.
Don't do that.
Sorry, Dan. Sorry. It didn't feel anything for me, just one night.
We've only been here 1 year. 1 fucking year, that's it. You
I
couldn't
love
even
you,
wait
Dad.
1 year until I just asked you to marry me, and now you're telling me you've been fucking with who the fuck was it? What are you, you don't know anyone else apart from my friends? Who was it? What have you been doing? I can't deal with this. I can't believe this. I can't believe it. No. How can you say that? How can you say that? How can you say that? Forgive you? But what are you? I was prepared to give you everything. Just within 1 year, you're out fucking someone else. No, you didn't